people, welcome back. So as promised, I'm going to be doing a lip swatch of these lipsticks I picked up from Revolution Pro called the Illustrator. I picked up 5 of them in a haul that I did previously, and I just want to go ahead and swatch them so you guys can see how they look on the lips. So they can be used for the lips, the eyes, and the cheeks, and they're meant to dry down to a matte finish. So we are going to test those out and see if they're worth getting. So let's go.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it.
So after putting my lips through it, guys, I've swatched all 5 of the Illustrator lipsticks, and as it says on the box here, they're multi-use pigment sticks for eyes, lips, and cheeks. I don't really know how the black is going to work on your cheeks, but it's makeup, anything goes. Anyways, my 3 favorites were Disruptor, which is the black. It dried down to a matte finish, but of course you had to make sure that you build it up to get that payoff. And my second favorite was Prefigure, and it's a lovely wine color. It dried on to a matte finish as well, and it's a beautiful wine color, perfect for the autumn. And then my third favorite was Inventive, and it's the red, which was a lovely red. It's sort of like an orangey red. It wasn't like a deep red, but these 3 were my favorites. They did dry down to a matte finish, but not super matte to the point where your lips felt like they were shoe leather, but they were really nice lipsticks. I mean, for £3, not bad. I don't know if you can get these in the store, but I picked these up on revolution.com, so maybe you can go ahead and check them out. I think they came in 10 different shades, so you can go ahead and see which one you like, and of course try them out. I would recommend these lipsticks. Of course, they are not bad for £3. And you guys, I did not like these 2 very much because I don't think they were that pigmented, and they did not dry down to a, you know, matte finish. They were more of a sheer finish. So these 2 right here, Epiphany and Confidential, were not my favorite. They did not have that payoff, and they really did not dry down to a matte finish as they were supposed to. But as for these 3 right here, you guys, I really like them and I enjoyed using them. They weren't drying on the lips. Oh, also you can use them as a topper if you're using really drying lipsticks. You can go ahead and just swipe these over top of those dry lipsticks so that your lips don't feel like they're just going to fall off. But I really like these. I would give them about 6 out of 10, especially these three right here. I'd give them 6 out of 10. They are not bad. So go ahead and pick up some for yourself. All right, guys. So yes, that's the end of the video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you plan on picking up any of these, or as usual, if you have any in your collection. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss a video from Shaunz World. And what else do I have to say to you guys? I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.